Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today on Customer States What? Customer States replace my engine air filter. I'll say no more, fam, we got you. It honestly looks like some Goomba was here before. As you could see here, the airbox is not fully installed properly. So we're going to take care of that. What tools do we need? Well, we're going to need a flathead screwdriver, and we're going to need a T25 for the screws that hold the housing to the rest of the housing. Let's get into this. Take this guy out here. Gonna loosen that guy right there. And I'm gonna remove all these. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. 6, and 7. So next, we're going to remove the boot off of the housing, and then we're going to remove the housing out. Very good. Come on. Come on. Okay, I guess the whole thing wants to come up and out. It's fine by me. Come on. Why are you going to fight me? There we go. Alright, we got it out. Very good. So now, once you get your air filter assembly out of the airbox, what you want to do is you want to inspect in here for any rodent activity or any debris. And if you do find any, you vacuum it out. Also, there's a little drain right down here for any water. You make sure that that is not clogged either. Very good. Now let's move on back to the filter. Now that we're back at the filter, we have one T20 and 2 T20s that you have to remove in order to remove the filter from the housing. So let's get those out and get this filter out. Alright guys, tips and tricks of the video. Whenever you place this engine air filter, there's something you have to reuse and transfer over to the new filter. And that's this O-ring right here. Make sure it's clean. We're going to have to clean it off. As you can see, it's a little dirty. But once you clean it off, you just reinstall it like so. Maybe a little bit of lubrication so it could slide on this pretty easily, giggity, and then go ahead and finish the install. Very good. Now that this is all installed and ready for installation, there's only one way that this filter can go on. You see this tab right here? Well, that tab locks into here, and then your screw holes go into there. So let's get a little closer. Right there and right there. So just to put it in place briefly, you got your little titty right there, you got your hole right there, little titty right there, little hole right there, and it just goes in like so. Very good. Very good. Brand new filter is installed. Let's get the light on. You see how that is lined up perfectly. And we have our mounting screws in there and there. Now let's get this housing in the way it's supposed to be and finish it up. Okay guys, another tips and tricks of the video. If you were struggling like I was to get this in its proper position, what you do is you loosen it up from here so you can maneuver this intake tube just a little bit in order for everything to sit properly, as you could see. Very good. So let's tighten this up, reinstall that, and we'll be all good. Very good. Very good, ladies and gentlemen. Engine air filter is installed. We got our hose back in its clamp over there. Our hose clamp is clamped back down. That's clamped back down. Make sure the vacuum line is attached because we had to maneuver this. And that's where it needs to be. We're going to put that guy right back there and clean up. And that's how you replace an engine air filter. Thank you guys. If you don't know what to do yet, please like, subscribe, hit that bell notification for further content.